I'm an artist. I also work with designers, and I make all of my own materials. I do my own weaving, I do my own yarn spinning, and I make all my own colors. I teach at Parsons, the new school. I teach in the Textiles MFA program, in the Fashion BFA program, and in the School of Construction Environments. I'm an adjunct professor, which means that I'm teaching in a lot of different parts of the university. And I also teach at NYU in the art school at Steinhardt. The life of an artist brings you in a lot of different directions. Well, I've been working with textiles and soft materials ever since I was a kid. I was the queen of friendship bracelets, so I went to sleepaway camp and I spent a lot of time with other kids. I taught myself how to sew. I got a sewing machine as a gift when I was about 9. It's actually the same sewing machine I still use. And it was just something I was drawn to inherently. My parents and my family members were not working with these materials, and it was when I went to college to study art history and art in general that I discovered the conceptual and design potential in textile. I think we're entering an age where being a designer or an artist doesn't have to be associated with your own name, and that there's more power in putting something good and something that can make a change out into the world with a team than there is in boosting your own name. It seems to me like the future of fashion is not going to have the names like the Diane von Furstenberg or the Ralph Lauren. It's really going to be about those companies full of smart people who are willing to see the bigger picture and forget about their egos and just focus on the important things that humans need and the world needs.